Back at it again, y'all. So, doing a headlight video, and it's daylight out. I know that makes a whole mess of sense. So, everybody that knows me knows, or has seen me talk about headlights, or been on like 4th Gen Rams, any of those places. I've been a huge proponent of Morimoto products, which they make good stuff. Are they the best? That's debatable. I mean, I know guys have had problems with stuff. I've been a huge proponent for retrofits and stuff. So anyways, I took my Morimoto XBs out because I was going to sell them. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to sell them quite yet because I still think that they are the best looking headlight for these trucks with the running lights and the sequential turns and all that fun stuff. But they're expensive. And, my point was I was going to maybe sell them and pocket some money. So what I bought that I'm using now, I hopped on eBay and I ordered a set of factory black, let me rephrase, factory looking black projectors. Hold on. You gonna say hi? What you're talking back there? What are you doing, bud? So, I didn't order actual factory ones. They're knockoffs. They were like $280, something like that, right around the $300 mark. And then I ordered a set of Hikari LEDs. Again, this was all kind of budget stuff. I had intentions to maybe open these projectors up and retrofit them or black out the amber or something. So pop the LEDs in there. Output's actually great. The cutoff's real nice and good. And I'll post up pictures in this video of the output the best I can. So anyways, they've got switchbacks. They've got a white running light and an amber turn signal. The corners are amber as well. So I'll just show you a video. Like I said, I've already posted pictures of these because that was the first thing I put, but I'm gonna do a real quick walk around, and I got one other thing to show you guys. So sit tight, hope you enjoy them. I'm gonna keep making videos. I've got, people seem to like them, so if you guys could share my channel, subscribe and stuff. I'm almost at the 1,000 subscribers mark. If I get to that point and I can make a little bit off the videos, that's gonna just lead to more mods and I'll be able to do cooler stuff, because I know I've done a lot of lighting videos and stuff. Also, Lace Fit, I think that's how you pronounce it. They make interior lights. Now they're making exterior lights and floor mats and a whole mess of stuff. They are gonna send me some lights to try. So that'll be coming up too. I'm gonna mount those on some ditch light brackets. So anyways, sit tight. I'll show you these headlights and one other thing that I did, and I hope y'all enjoy. So you guys have to bear with me on the background noise real quick. I just wanted to come down here because it's got good lighting. So this is what the lights look like. So I don't know if they'll have the projector burn issue like some of the other lights with the black shrouds have. That's what they look like in here. So that's what the DRLs, which it does have a plug for those. I'm not running the DRLs. Like I said, they're switchbacks. So it's got the white. So like I said, I didn't run the DRL plug yet. I don't know if I'm going to. Like I said, I had them on my Morimotos because Morimoto's DRLs just look amazing. But on these, they look really good too, but I also just kind of like the blacked out look. So hold on, let me flip you around here. And I'm gonna turn the key on. You hear the good old E-fan running. We've been out running errands, so. As far as headlights on these trucks go, some of the Alpha X ones do look really good, like the aftermarket ones. The Morimoto knockoffs, not for me. I know a lot of guys love those. Cool, if that's what you like. I prefer the look of the Morimotos or a factory black projector. I do like the Alpha X, the 2500 knockoffs, which I've ran before. But anyways, so, sometimes the OEM look is best. You guys let me know what you think. These are just clean and simple. No BS. The only thing I don't like about them is the amber on the turn signal. which I could open those up and rectify that, but it seems like every time you open headlights up, they never seal quite as good as factory. So then I'll show you one more thing here. So it's the EGR cab spoiler. Man, I just washed my truck. It's already dirty. So here, let me flip it around. So the EGR cab spoiler, they're like $200, $250. I don't remember exactly what it was. I don't know why I got it. I don't know. I feel like how the cab slopes on the back of our trucks just looks kind of not boring, but it could look better, and I think that rectifies that. So for you guys that have the leaky third brake light, I'm sure this would also remedy that. So yeah, I'm loving how everything's looking. You know, I'm back on factory wheels and you know, factory grill. I've got a lot of factory parts on there, like the 510 taillights and stuff. I've just always kind of been a fan of the OEM Plus look, I guess. And I'm not sure, and I know I say this every freaking time, I don't know what else I want to do. I'll find something, but do a little walk around. Excuse me, allergy season's just rocking this year. Loving the Mastercraft still, loving the bumpers, the Borla's sounding good. So here, let me hop back up in here. And yeah. 27,000 miles on this bad girl almost. Probably gonna keep this truck for a little bit. It's been a good truck. Got all the parts I want on it now. So anyways, I hope you guys like the headlights. I will post some output pictures, and I know it's kind of a long video for just to show you the headlights. I'll put a link in the description to where I bought them. I did get them on eBay, and then I'll show you pictures. They actually came in an Alpha Rex box. So when I ordered these, I was like, oh, these are gonna be cheap, output's gonna suck. And Alpha Rex box showed up on my porch. I'm like, what? First I thought, man, these guys probably sent me the wrong thing or something. Well, Alpha Rex doesn't even list these on their website, which I think is odd, because I think they'd sell like hotcakes. You know, given the price point, the switchbacks, people want black projectors. What's not to like about something simple like that at a good price point? I know their other headlights run, I don't know, $450, it seems like, for the halogen models. So, you know, $278 or whatever I paid for these, can't beat it. So I'll post a link. I'll show the box. There is even like Alpha Rex stamps and brandings on the back of the housings. And like I said, with the LEDs, the output's not bad. I'm gonna throw a couple pictures in here. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, share the channel. Like I said, if I can get past that next level, man, I can really start getting some cool mods. I don't know what I would get. Maybe I'll get a project car. I don't know. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna put up plenty of pictures, and if you all want, I can do an output video or something later too. So have a good day, y'all. Take care, stay healthy, and see you next time.